Cooking Couture Atlanta here with your baking tip for today. I want to talk real quick about a hand mixer and a stand mixer and all the different gadgets. Gadgets are the best thing for a cook's life. All these new gadgets and things, all you got to do is just know how to use them. They are amazing. So I love my hand mixer. My hand mixer came with, of course, the mixing spoons. I do that when I'm doing small batches of things and if the batter is light, like if I'm making homemade pancakes or if I'm making some batters, some light batters. I like to do my cakes with my hand mixer, but if I'm doing a double batch, I definitely use the KitchenAid. If I'm doing bread, KitchenAid. I can't wait to get my pasta attachment for this KitchenAid stand mixer so that I can start making my homemade pasta. This small whip, if you want to whip something together, if you want to mix together your dry ingredients, your flour, your salt, your sugar, and mix it all together before you add your wet, this is great for that. You just put this on and whip everything together. It has a nice storage case, got it at Walmart. I am like totally a KitchenAid girl, but I fell in love with this Hamilton Beach. It makes great whipping cream. You want to make your own whipped cream? All you do is put this on, or you put your whip on, add some extract, whatever kind you want, a little powdered sugar, whip it together in a cold bowl, makes the best whipped cream, topping for pound cake, topping for pancakes. This is a bread hook. I love it. You're going to see it in future videos. Get some gadgets.